In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Jitter video watermark, which can sometimes be a bit tricky if you're new to the platform. If you're looking to polish off your video content without any distractions, you're in the right place, and I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to your drafts on Jitter. You can do this by simply going to the Jitter website and accessing your files through the drafts section. This is where all your projects are stored and ready for you to dive into and start editing. Once you have your drafts open, the next step is to click on the project that you're intending to work on. Make sure you've selected the correct video because this will ensure you're editing the right content. When you select your project, you will then find yourself right in the workspace where all the magic happens. Now that you're in your project, it's time to focus on exporting the video without the watermark. You'll need to walk through the export process by selecting the option to export. Also decide on the resolution you want for your video. This is important because the final outcome will depend on this choice, affecting the quality and size of your video. After you make your selections, just give it a moment. The platform will create a new tab for you, and you might need to wait for up to a minute as it processes and prepares the video for export. Once your video is ready to be exported, you'll see an option that says, Remove Watermark. Go ahead and click on that option. However, at this point, do be aware that Jitter requires you to subscribe to one of their plans to remove the watermark, and this means you'll need to have an active subscription to complete this step. Keep this in mind because it's a necessary step to achieve a clean, watermark-free video. That covers the essentials of removing the Jitter video watermark. By following these steps, you'll have your videos looking professional and ready for any platform you choose to share them on. It might take a little bit of practice to get comfortable with the process, but once you've got it down, you'll be removing those watermarks with ease. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you found this tutorial helpful, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks for all your video editing needs.